How to do: make your own Play-Doh. Why pay money for Play-Doh when you can easily whip up a batch at home? Here's the recipe. Instructions. Quick tip: you can use an unsweetened powdered drink mix instead of food coloring. Step 1: scent your Play-Doh by adding a drop of essential oil to each batch. Step 2: create fun shapes and figures with your custom-made Play-Doh. When you're done playing, store it in a plastic bag or airtight container. If it starts to dry out, knead in a bit more water. It should last for several weeks. Did you know, the original Play-Doh began as wallpaper cleaner, but was remarketed as a children's toy in 1955 when washable wallpaper made it obsolete. Step 3: divide the dough into batches. Make a deep indentation in each, add a few drops of food coloring, and fold the dough over it. Knead the dough some more, adding food coloring as needed. Wear plastic gloves or knead the dough inside a plastic bag if you like. Step 4: place the cooled dough on a clean, dry, lightly floured surface and knead vigorously until it's nice and smooth. Step 5: in a medium-size pot, heat 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of warm water, 1 cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar over low heat, stirring frequently. Step 6: when the mixture develops a doughy consistency that pulls away from the sides of the pot, which can take anywhere from 3 to 10 minutes, remove from the heat and let it cool. Quick tip: be sure to cook the dough until it's no longer sticky, keeping the heat low. Note: if the heat gets too high, the dough takes on a sticky, shiny consistency and will not be workable as Play-Doh. You will have to throw it out. Warning: keep homemade Play-Doh out of reach of pets. The high salt content can be deadly to animals.